Toy photography is all about making small things feel big. With just a few perspective tricks, your toys can look like they belong in a Hollywood movie. I love using action figures that are 1/12 scale or about 6 inches tall. I feel they are the perfect size for toy photography, yet creating a realistic scene. The first trick is shooting from a low angle. Get your camera down to the toy's eye level or even a little bit lower. This makes the toy feel like it's towering over the environment, just like a real person or character would. You would use the same technique when you're photographing children or pets. Notice the difference? Shooting from above reminds us it's just a toy, but from below, it becomes a hero. Next, use foreground and background to build depth in your photo. Place real objects like grass, twigs, or rocks close to the lens. These help create the illusion of a full-size world. Even a small patch of dirt can feel like a vast desert with the right framing. Try to fill the frame with your subject. Don't leave too much empty space. When you get in close and focus on the action, the viewer forgets how small the toy really is. Keep in mind, when using a regular camera, your lens will have a minimal focusing distance. Each lens is different, so try various focal lengths. I like using either a 24 to 70 millimeter or a 70 to 200 millimeter, or even the good old nifty 50 millimeter lens. Using a longer focal length also helps to compress the background, creating a nice blurry bokeh. Also, avoid including objects that reveal the true scale of your subjects, like your fingers, shoes, or furniture in the background. Those instantly break the illusion. Practice posing your figures to create realistic and exciting scenes. To help your action figures to stand, use wooden skewers for them to lean on. You can also use stiff wire to suspend or support your figures for some cool realistic scenes. Okay, I'll put some links in the description to both the skewers as well as the wire. Use Photoshop to remove the wire or the skewers during post-editing. Light matters too. Use side lighting or backlighting to add drama. A flashlight or a lamp can create shadows to make the scene feel more epic. I like using these little cube lights by Small Rig, or Ulanzi makes them too. Small Rig makes this kit that includes mini tripods, barn doors, color gels, and a diffuser. These are perfect for toy photography. But I also like to use small panel lights as well as the tube lights. Finally, think like a movie director. Give your scene a story. Is your toy exploring a jungle, escaping danger, facing a villain? A strong concept makes your photo more powerful, no matter how small the subject is. Now, a little trick, you can add small explosions with crackling ball fireworks or even sparklers. You can also use an air gun or this drain declogger that I found to blast dirt into the scene to create an explosion. Also, a small fog machine will also add mood to your photo. With a little creativity and the right perspective, you can turn any toy into a giant on screen. Take care, everyone.